Right. So, I know you are watching the videos which your teachers are doing in the summer camp. Ruchi Garg welcome you in my summer camp English club, and the name of my club is Fun with English. So, dear children, as the name suggests, we are going to do lot of fun, lot of masti, lot of dance, music, singing. You all love singing and dancing? Yes, you might be watching the videos of singing, of music, of dance, but in English club also we will do fun in the form of dance and singing, and we will learn new names in English, especially of fruits and vegetables, spices, cereals, pulses which you use in your kitchen daily. You use so many ingredients, but we don't know the English names, which is very essential, because whenever you watch any TV program which is just based on the recipes, then you should know the English names also. If you want to be a chef, then you should know the English name of all the dishes, of all the ingredients that are used in the dishes. So we are going to take up all the common ingredients that are available in your kitchen in the summer camp, in your summer holidays. So for first 4 days you will be with me. I am Ruchi. Some of you know me, I know, and some of you will know me now. And for the next 2 days, you will be with Srisha ma'am and with Prachi ma'am. So we are going to learn many more things. We are going to enjoy in this club. So if you are ready, we will begin with the English names of fruits.
Summer season.
2, 3, 4.
Cherries.
I don't care. Mangoes. Grapes. Berries. Fruits are great.
खाइए सभी ने? यस, मुंह में पानी आया? चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद टर्मरिक।
इमली हम खाते हैं चाहे वो सीड्स के फॉर्म में या फिर हम चटनी भी यूज करते हैं। सो व्हाट इज इमली कॉल्ड इन इंग्लिश? यस, वी ऑल नो इट इज टर्मरिन।
Hey, have you eaten shehtood? Oh, it's my favorite fruit. I love to eat shehtood. I take it from the tree myself and I love to eat shehtood. And do you know what we call shehtood in English? Yes, it is mulberry. Hey, another common summer fruit. It is Aloo bukhara. It is red and black in color. Do you love to eat? Oh, I love to eat. It is good for heart also. And what it is called in English? Yes, it is plum. Now let's see jamun, khata khata jamun. It is very good for the patients of diabetes, those who have sugar. It is a medicine for them. And you know what we call jamun in English? Yes, it is java plum. So now let's move on to a winter fruit. Have you heard about the small berry that we eat? Yes, it is a small sized red color berry also, and we have one big green color berry also that comes in winter, and we can even cook vegetables out of this berry. And what it is called in English? Can you tell me what it is called? Any guesses? Yes, it is called juju. Children, can you see the spellings of juju? It is Jujube, but when we pronounce, we say it as juju. It is not called jujube, but it is juju. Okay, let's move on to another fruit of winters. That is what? Sharifa. Have you heard about Sharifa? Have you tasted it ever? And why it is called Sharifa? Is it that sharif fruit? So how did it derive its name? It is also known as Sitafal. And why it is called Sitafal? Because the Sita Mata, when she was in Ashok Vatika in Ravan's Lanka, she used to eat this. That is why it came to be known as Sitafal. And what do we call it in English? Yes, we call it custard apple. It has very small seeds and it is very pulpy fruit. And it is very yummy. Would you like to taste it? So let's have a look at custard apple. Hey, it is turn of Adu now. Would you like to eat with me? And what do we call Adu in English? Yes, it is peach. Hey, next is my favorite fruit. You know what? Bani. How many of you like to eat it? It is very sweet. And what do we call it? Yes, we call it apricot. Hey, how can we forget kharbuja? We have eaten so many fruits, but now I want to eat kharbuja. And what do we call kharbuja? It is muskmelon. Now let us make a fruit salad. And what do we add in fruit salads? We add banana, we can add pear, we can add apple, we can add mango, we can add guava. So now what I am going to add? I am going to add nashpati. And what is nashpati in English? It is pear. Hey, I am feeling very thirsty. I want something juicy. So I want to have mosambi. And what is mosambi called? It is known as sweet lime. Hey, I have a deficiency of iron. My doctor has advised me to eat a fruit which is full of iron. And can you tell me which is that fruit which is full of iron? Yes, it is chiku. And what is it in English? It is sapodilla. Do you know yesterday which fruit I had? It is my favorite. It is falsa. And what do we call falsa? Blackcurrant. Have you eaten any ice cream by the name of blackcurrant? It is my favorite ice cream too. So falsa is my favorite fruit and we call it blackcurrant. Hey, can you tell me any very watery fruit except watermelon? And it is a winter fruit. It is white in color. Yes, I am talking of singhara. And do you know what it is called? It is known as water chestnut because it has large amount of water in it. So it is singhara that we call water chestnut.
So these were some of the English names of the fruits. I hope you all have learned them. Now it's a turn to look at the English names of some vegetables. So here we
Carrot, cabbage, broccoli. 1, 2, 3.
Let's chop some carrots. Let's chop some cabbage.
Cabbage.
Na vegetables for you and me. And we sing na na na, na na na. And we sing na na na, na na na. Vegetables for you, you. Vegetables for me, me. Vegetables for you and me. Vegetables for you and me. Potato, potato. Spinach, spinach. Celery, celery. 1, 2, 3. Let's chop potatoes, potatoes. Na na na. Let's chop some spinach, spinach. Na na na. Let's chop some celery, celery. Na na na. Some vegetables for you and me. Potato, spinach, celery. Potato, spinach, celery. Some vegetables for you and me. And we sing na na na, na na na. And we sing na na na, na na na. One more time. Vegetables for you, you. Vegetables for me, me. Vegetables for you and me. Garlic, garlic. Onion, onion. Leek, leek. 1, 2, 3. Let's chop some garlic, garlic. Na na na. Let's chop some onions, onions. Na na na. Let's chop some leek, leek. Na na na. Some vegetables for you and me. Garlic, onion, leek. Garlic, onion, leek. Some vegetables for you and me. And we sing na na na, na na na. And we sing na na na, na na na. Vegetables for you, you. Vegetables for me, me. Vegetables for you and me. Vegetables for you and me.
Vegetable that I'm going to start is the amla. It is full of vitamin C, and in this situation of COVID-19 we have to keep our immunity strong. So it is very essential vegetable that we should eat to build up our immunity. And do you know what it is called in English? Yes, it is gooseberry. It's my favorite vegetable. I love its flavor. I can use it in many dishes. If I have to cook what? Pizza, chow mein, utpam. What will I use? What are the ingredients? Yes, shimla mirch. And what it is called? Capsicum. It comes in 3 colors. It can be red, yellow or green. I love all the 3 colors. It's very healthy. Today let's cook arbi. I love to eat arbi. And what it is called? It is called colocasia root. Let's learn about Karela. It is very bitter in taste, but if you put it in the salt for some time, that is for 3 to 4 hours, then it loses its bitterness, and it is very good for the patients of diabetes. It controls the sugar level of the patients, and it is called bitter gourd. Next vegetable is kaddu. Oh, I don't like it at all. I don't like its taste, but then what it is called? Pumpkin. Do you like chukandar? I love it very much. I use it in soups. I just use it as a salad. It is red in color, and if you have iron deficiency, it is very helpful. It improves your immunity. It increases your blood level. So it is called beetroot. Okay, let's talk about some salads now. Have you heard about Shalgam, have you eaten it? Oh, it can be used as a vegetable, it can be used as a salad, and it is used in pickles also, especially in winters. And I love it very much. It is very, very healthy. And do you know what it is called? Yes, turnip. Another salad. It is hara pyaj. We eat it with all the three dishes, that is lunch, breakfast, dinner. We can have it with our food. And what it is called? Spring onion. We have had vegetables, we have salads also, but then what about chutney? अब कुछ चटनी हो जाए, खट्टी खट्टी चटनी. Can you suggest any vegetable with which we can just make chutney? And I'll give you a hint. It is in the shape of a mouse, and then it is also in the shape of watermelon. The color is green. Can you suggest? It is called kachri. गाजर की चटनी खाई है कभी? Famous राजस्थानी चटनी. Yes, and in English it is called mouse melon. Okay, now let's cook the most famous vegetable of summers. Any guess? Yes, I am talking of torrei. And what it is called in English? Witch gourd. Okay, another vegetable which is green in color and which gives us coolness, especially in summer. It is a summer vegetable. Any guesses what it is? Yes, I am talking of lauki. And what it is called in English? Yes, it is called bottle gourd, as it is in the shape of a bottle which is vertical. So it is bottle gourd. Okay, now let us cook my favorite vegetable. Let me tell you which is my favorite vegetable. It is round in shape and it is very small. It is in the shape of apple. Can you guess? Yes, it is tinda, green in color, just like an apple. And that is why it is called apple gourd, or it is also known as round gourd. So it is tinda, round gourd, or we can say apple gourd. How can we forget the most healthiest vegetable of winter when we are talking of vegetables? Yes, it is very, very healthy. We have sodium, potassium, iron in it, and along with so many other minerals. Can you guess? Yes, I am talking of the leaves, that is palak, and what it is called in English? Spinach. Can we cook vegetables without making any tadka? No, it is not at all possible. So what should we use? We should use adrak. And what is adrak called in English? Ginger. Okay, another ingredient which is used in tadka except, or we can say other than onion, is what? Yes, it is lasun, or we can say garlic. About herbs, fruits and vegetables. We have learned so many names in English today. So let's recall them once again. So repeat with me once again.